In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Zoom meeting using an ID and passcode. Whether you're working remotely, attending a virtual class, or connecting with friends and family, Zoom has become an essential tool for video communication. Today, we'll walk through the simple steps to make sure you join those meetings smoothly and stress-free. First things first, you'll want to open Zoom on your PC. If you don't have it installed already, you can download it from the official Zoom website. It's quick and easy to set up. Once Zoom is up and running on your computer, you're ready to start. Next, look for the option that says Join a Meeting. This should be prominently displayed on the Zoom home screen, so it's hard to miss. Go ahead and click on it. This option allows you to join existing meetings without needing to create an account or sign in, making it a hassle-free way to connect to meetings. Now, you'll see a box where you need to enter the meeting ID. This ID is a unique number that identifies your specific meeting. It should have been provided to you by the meeting organizer, usually through an email invitation or a calendar event. Carefully type in the meeting ID into the box provided. It's important to double-check the digits to ensure they're correct, as even a small error can prevent you from joining the meeting. After you've entered the meeting ID, you have the option to choose a display name. This is how you will appear to other participants in the meeting, so feel free to use your real name, a nickname, or whatever you prefer. This feature is quite handy in making sure that everyone knows who you are, especially in larger meetings where it might be hard to keep track of attendees. With your display name set, click the Join button. You are halfway there. This action will take you to the next step, where you will be prompted to enter the meeting passcode. The passcode acts as a security measure to ensure that only invited guests can join the meeting, so it's an important step. This information should also have been provided to you by the meeting host. Once prompted, carefully enter the passcode into the field provided, and then click Join Meeting. If the passcode is entered correctly, you will be granted access to the meeting room, where you can start your video and audio to participate fully. If you encounter any issues with joining, check both the meeting ID and passcode for any errors, and ensure your internet connection is stable. And that's it. You've successfully joined a Zoom meeting using an ID and passcode. With these steps, you're now ready to connect and engage in meaningful conversations. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your next Zoom call smoother.